I'm Sarina the scientist, and this is my assistant, Ella the scientist. Today we're going to do the experiment of the running away pepper. You need soap, you need pepper, and you need a bowl that's filled with water. I've already put some soap here, and first we're going to put the pepper in the water. Assistant, Ella the scientist, is going to put her finger in the soap and she's going to dip it into the water. Look at that! The pepper is running away. Now we're going to see why this happens. First we need to see why the pepper is still staying on the surface of the water. That's because of water surface tension. You might have seen some bugs float or walk or stand on the water. That's because the water molecules want to stick together and the bugs are light enough so they can go on the water and not break the surface tension. Now we're going to see why the pepper runs away from the soap. That's because when you dip your soapy finger into the water, it breaks the surface tension and the water runs away carrying the pepper. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Please click the subscribe button down there so you can check out all my videos.